23,78,941. Is this number divisible by 2, 3 or 4? How I can get a quick answer on it?
You will definitely get an answer with the divisibility rule. And for this you have to remember all the divisibility rules. Here 2 to 11 divisibility rules are there. Let's try to remember 2 to 11 divisibility rules by easy way. Let's put this number in a group to remember. Group of 2, 5 and 10. Can you tell me why these three numbers in a one group?
No, I can't understand.
Let me explain to you. Divisibility rule of 2. A number is divisible by 2 if its last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Like that. Divisible rule of 5. A number is divisible by 5 if it ends in 0 or 5. A divisible rule of 10. A number is divisible by 10 if it ends with 0. So, in this group, at ones place rule, which is for 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. For 5, 0 and 5, and for 10, it's 0. Here, if at ones place 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 are there, then that will be divisible by 2. If the 0 and 5 is there, then that will be divisible by 5. And only 0 is there, then that will be divisible by 10. Can you tell me whether the first number is divisible by 2?
Yes, it is, because the ones place is 8.
What about the second example? Whether it is divisible by 5?
Yes, it is, because the ones place is 5. And third one is also divisible by 10 because its ones place is 0.
I hope you have understand why we have made a group of ones place rule.
Yes, I remember here 3 divisibility rules.
Now the next group is the sum of its digits. Whatever number is there, we have to add its each digit, and the sum should be divisible by 3 or 9. Then these rules are applicable for it. As per this rule, first number is divisible by 3, but the second number is not divisible by 9.
The numbers are so big. With the help of divisibility rule, it becomes easy.
Now the third group, which is last digit rules. In this group there are two numbers which are 4 and 8. For last two digits of number should be divisible by 4. 8. Last three digits of number should be divisible by 8.
The first number's last two digit is 32 and 32 is divided by 4. Therefore, first number is divisible by 4.
Exactly. And what about second example?
In second example, the last three digits are 264, which is divisible by 8. Therefore, the whole number is divisible by 8.
I hope you have understand why we made a third group. And now here the remaining three rules are there which we have to remember. A divisibility rule of 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. For an example, 32,34,454. This number is divisible by 2, but it is not divisible by 3. Hence, this number is not divisible by 6. Divisibility rule of 7. Double the last digit and subtract it from the rest of the number. If the result is divisible by 7, then the whole number is divisible by 7. For an example, 64,264. We have to double the 4, which is 8. We have to subtract the 8 from the remaining number, which becomes 6,818. We have to repeat this process. With the help of this, The original number 68,264 is divisible by 7. Subtract and add the digit in an alternate pattern. If the result is 0 or divisible by 11, the number is divisible by 11. For an example, 6,12,161. Whether it is divisible by 11. We have added alternate number. Hence, 6,12,161 is divisible by 11. I hope this will definitely help you to remember all 2 to 11 rules.
Thank you for giving such a wonderful information. This will definitely help me to solve the big numbers. Thank you to watch our video.